The next question is just a part question, and here it's 4d. So we're looking at the mechanism for the reaction between hydrogen and chlorine, and we've got free radical substitution here. So you can see the students got this one right. Cl2 gives us 2 lots of Cl radicals. There are 2 ways that you could write this. So Cl2 goes to 2 lots of Cl radical, or you can write it out twice. Writing it out twice is quite helpful when you look at further propagation steps and termination steps later on. It then asks us to complete the following equations which show propagation steps. So here in the propagation stage, this is what we're already given in the question. You just notice that I've put the radicals on. They don't appear in the question paper. It's assumed that they are known. In the first propagation step, we've got a chlorine radical reacting with a hydrogen, H2. In my mind, I always think that when we have propagation, one of the things that is not yet radicalized is taken from where it is and joins to the radical. So a hydrogen leaves here and goes over to here to give us HCl. What I'm then left with is a H, and the radical has effectively swapped from the chlorine onto the hydrogen, so a hydrogen radical. The second way, if we're looking at a hydrogen radical reacting with a chlorine, again, the Cl2, half of the Cl2, one of them goes across to here to give me HCl, and I'm left with a chlorine that's now alone with an unpaired electron to give me my Cl radical. So these are my propagation steps. And we know that it's a reaction between hydrogen and chlorine because that is indicated to us in the question. The last one is for termination steps, and here we've got 2 termination steps. As long as you have 2 radicals on the left-hand side and no radicals on the right-hand side, then that is a termination step. So here we've taken a hydrogen and a chlorine radical, and we formed HCl. And here we've taken 2 chlorine radicals, and we've formed Cl2. Equally, we could take 2 hydrogen radicals, and we could form H2 as an alternative termination step.